Good morning, children. Today is Friday. Today is 11th September 2020. Children, now take your general awareness book number 4. General awareness book number 4. Open page number 51. 51. Page number 51. Children, today you will learn about wild animals. Animals that live in forest are called wild animals. Please repeat after me. Animals that live in forest are called wild animals. Now please repeat after me. Elephant, deer, bear, zebra, kangaroo, fox, hippo, leopard, lion, rhino, tiger, monkey, giraffe, owl, woodpecker, peacock. So these all animals live in forest. So they are called wild animals. Repeat. Wild animals. Now take your GK notebook. Write heading wild animals. Okay, and you will practice writing lion, tiger, deer, fox, bear. Okay, so practice writing 5 wild animals names. Children, please observe, here first letter is capital letter. You should write first letter capital letter. Okay, please concentrate on this. Children, next take your literacy skills book number 1. Literacy skills book number 1. Open page number 50. 50. Page number 50. Children, this is word building. Okay. Now here can you see this is ought. Okay. So when you replace the first letter, you will get other words. Now here it is given ought, caught. So the same way, if you replace the first letter, now instead of C, if you write D, okay, d, ought, dot, d, ought, dot. Now again, which letter you will replace? Only the first beginning letter, okay, beginning letter you will replace. Now G, g, ought, got, ought, hot, j, ought, jot, l, ought, lot. So if you observe, in all the words, OT is common. Okay, OT is common. Only beginning letter you are changing. So when you are changing like that, you can form many other words. Now the next one, no, ought, not. P, ought, pot. R, ought, rot. T, ought, taught. Okay children, now I will show you once again how you should blend and write. Now see, at. Okay, so only beginning letter will change. Now let us see, one is given for us, r, at, rat. Now I will show you, b, at, bat. See, this is how you have to write, b, at. Okay, at, it is bat. Now next letter C is given. Let us blend. K, at, cat. K, at, cat. I hope you are following the 4 lines pattern. Okay. Now next one is F, at, fat. F, at, fat. So try to do letter H, M, P, R and S. Okay. With all these letters, you try to write the words. Okay children. Look, this is how you have to write. You try to do by yourself first. Children, now take your numeracy skills book, book number 3. Numeracy skills book, book number 3. Open page number 62. Page number 62. 6 to 62. Children, here you will practice writing number names from 21 to 30. Okay, you already learnt number names from 1 to 20. So first, before starting, just do the oral practice and then start off writing number names from 21 to 30. See, it's very easy. First, perfectly learn the number name of 20. T, W, E, N, T, Y. 20. Once again repeat. T, W, E, N, T, Y. 20. O, N, E. 1. So how you'll write? If you're perfect with the number name 20, it's very easy for you. First write T, W, E, N, T, Y. 20. And you already know the number name of 1. It's O, N, E, 1. Now let us try next one. T, W, E, N, T, Y. 20. Now number name of 2. Very good. T, W, O. So what you should do? You should be perfect with number names 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? And here, when you're writing number names from 21 to 30, 20 is common. Okay? when you're writing all the number names, 20 will be repeating till 29. So now again, T W E N T Y, 23. Number name of 3, T H R E E, 23. Okay. Now next, T W E N T Y, 20. Number name of 4, F O U R, 4, 24. Now next, T W E N T Y, 20. Number name of 5, F I V E. So this is how you have to practice writing. So try to do 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. Okay, 30 is you have to practice T H I R T Y, 30. So this is how you have to write. Okay children, please try to learn number names from 21 to 30. Children, take your third book of stories, book number 7. Book number 7, third book of stories. Story of the week, The Musical Donkey. Story of the week is The Musical Donkey. You have to read this story daily once, and on Friday you should send me the video. Once upon a time, there lived a donkey and a jackal. One day, they went to a farm. The donkey ate the grass. The jackal ate the ducks and hens. After eating, the donkey began to sing loudly. Hearing this, the jackal ran away. The farmers came running and chased the donkey away. Children, now next take your Hindi textbook. Hindi textbook. Open page number 12. Page number 12. Now practice picture reading of letter Ch. Ch से चरखा. च से चमचा. च से चरण. च से चना. Once again, children. Cha se charkha. Cha se chamcha. Cha se charan. Cha se chana. Next, cha. Cha se chhatri. Cha se chhadi. Cha se chalni. Cha se chag. Once again. Cha se chhatri. Cha se chhadi. Cha se chalni. Cha se chag. Children, practice picture reading and you have to write cha, cha in your notebook. Now take your sight words chart. Sight words chart. Now repeat after me. You, your, in, out, about, I, my, a, an, at, is, and, do, go, to, of, the, are, me, we, on, or, see, look, with, was, he, she, this, that. Today's new words are L, I, K, E. Like. Once again. L, I, K, E. Like. C, A, N. Can. C, A, N. Can. Children, practice all these sight words, and I am not getting sight words pictures of everyone. Kindly make a note of all these sight words. Only on daily practice you can identify these sight words. So please practice reading all these sight words. Please make a note of them on one chart or a paper, and make sure daily you will do this revision. Bye children. Take care. Happy weekend.